talk to me. Tell me what's wrong. You're not responding to any of my treatments. Don't leave me feeling so neglected.
I can help you restore your relationship with your crops this Valentine's Day. Make her feel seen and appreciated by taking the time to identify the problem areas within your field through the FruitLook platform.
That sounds amazing. Exactly what I need to get to the heart of the problem so that every one of my trees get the love that they deserve. Please tell me how I can get started.
Sure thing, it's very easy to get started. Visit our website, register your free account, and make a booking with one of our team members for a training session.
Make this Valentine's Day fruitful.